Welcome to this video on how to analyze Excel data using ChatGPT. We'll show you how to turn your spreadsheets into powerful insights using simple prompts, eliminating the need for advanced formulas or Excel headaches. While Excel is powerful, it can be frustrating with its complex formulas, messy spreadsheets, slow analysis, and confusing financial models. You shouldn't need to be an Excel expert to understand your own data. Combining ChatGPT with Excel offers smarter analysis. You can now use ChatGPT directly inside Excel to generate formulas, analyze datasets, explain trends, build financial models, and answer questions in plain English. Step 1 is to install ChatGPT in Excel. Go to Insert, select Add-ins, search for ChatGPT, and click Add. Once installed, ChatGPT will open in a sidebar, ready to use. Step 2 is to connect your account. Simply log into ChatGPT. With your account connected, Excel transforms into an AI-powered workspace. Step 3 is uploading your data. ChatGPT can analyze various formats, including Excel and CSV files, PDFs, images, and financial reports. If your data exists, AI can help analyze it. Say goodbye to guessing formulas. Simply give ChatGPT a prompt in plain language, like asking for a formula to calculate total sales above a certain value. It provides the formula and also handles use cases like finding trends and building forecasts. AI can do more than just formulas. Easily build financial models, including revenue forecasts, budgeting models, KPI dashboards, break-even analysis, and profit and loss tracking. This changes everything, allowing you to work faster and understand more. Instead of Googling formulas, watching tutorials, or fixing spreadsheet errors, you simply ask questions. Excel becomes conversational. The future of Excel is AI-powered. You no longer need advanced spreadsheet skills. Just describe what you want in plain language and let ChatGPT turn it into real analysis. Start experimenting with your own spreadsheets today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on leveraging AI for data analysis.